In this video, I'll show you how to connect a pre-filter to your ionizer. A pre-filter is a filter that goes on the inflow line that feeds water to your ionizer instead of inside the ionizer itself. The procedure is exactly the same for all models of ionizers. The only tool you'll need is a good pair of scissors. The first thing to do is to shut off the water to the ionizer. We are using an inline valve here, but you will either be connected to a faucet diverter or a T-adapter under the sink, and you should shut them off accordingly, so no water is being sent to the ionizer. Next, decide where along the inflow line you want to place the pre-filter. Using your scissors, cut the hose at this point. Try to make the cut as clean as possible. Your pre-filter will have a small rubber nipple inserted in each end for shipping. Remove these by pressing in on the plastic ring surrounding the nipple and pulling the rubber piece out. The filter will have an arrow on its label indicating what direction the water flows through it. Connect the hose coming from your water source to the end corresponding with the back of the arrow. Push the hose in firmly. Now point the other end of the filter into the sink or a bucket and slowly turn the water on to pre-flush the filter. After about a gallon of water has gone through the filter, turn the water back off and connect the other end of the inflow hose to the filter. You are now done. If you're using a T-adapter and getting your water from under the sink, turn it back on so you can use the ionizer.